Byron, the Stock Master, and I'm really excited right now because I'm talking about options trading, options 101 for beginners. First of all, beginners, I don't recommend that you get into options because it's a very dangerous game because you're buying contracts. One contract is 100 shares. So if you buy like 10 contracts, that's 1,000 shares, and you can lose so much money because everything has a cost or a premium. Perfect example. If you buy a stock on options at $36 a share, it's a possibility. It counts how long you have it for. It can cost you up to $3 per share just on the premium or cost. Think about it. If you don't make the strike price is the expiration date. Say you get it for 2 weeks. Today is November, say 17th, and you got it until December 3rd or December 5th. If it don't make that strike price or the dollar amount you wanted to get to, you can lose all that money per share. Say $2 per share. It counts how long you get it for, but you can lose so much money because you have to get it by that expiration date. Now, I'm going to explain what a call and a put is. A call is when you want the stock to go up. This is strictly options. A put is when you want the stock to go down. Write all this stuff down because options is very important. And remember, options ain't nothing but an insurance policy. You get it for a predetermined date. You get it for 2 weeks or a month. The longer period you get the options for, most likely the less it's going to cost you because you're getting it for a longer period of time. See, it's important to get an understanding when it comes to the stock market. I'm going to train next week on swing trading. I'm going to train on short-term trading. Let me see. Next one is if you want full term trading, long term, same thing. I'm gonna train on dividend trading, futures, and cryptocurrency too. But we gotta take it one step at a time. Right now it's options trading. Right now I told you it's calls and puts and predetermined date is. And like I said, it's an insurance policy. And try to remember what strike price mean. Try to remember what calls and puts are. This is very important. And try to remember that if one contract is 100 shares, these are the basic things you got to remember when it comes to options trading. There's so much more, but these are the basics right now. And expiration date. You get it for a certain period of time. Try to write this stuff down. Watch my other video. It explains more detail of how option works. That's very important. This is Byron, the Stock Master. And leave comments and your opinion. So definitely leave questions too, because I answer all my questions. So if you got any questions about anything in the stock market, leave a question for me so I can answer it. I will answer it. I promise you.